No, no, do not pick me up. Do not dare.
Hey, this power. This feels my life. On my arm?
I thought I told you not to.
What's that thing?
Oh, it. Houses, it fell.
What? Like actual... Oh no! There's another one!
Hit it too. Go on.
There's more of them!
Throw the hammer towards the enemy you wish to hit. If they are weak, there is a chance you can stun them.
Whoa. How'd I do that?
Remember how I showed you to throw me? Throw the hammer towards the enemy you wish to hit.
Where'd
Hitting
he
enemies with a
go?
melee attack does more damage than throwing.